Welcome, here I've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by using them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And now let's move to the right corner here to other settings, so we can open some advanced camera settings. Here we have volume key setting, so by just tapping on this we can change its function. Now we can record video by tapping on the volume key button. The next one thing here is the zoom, and when we tap on it once again we go back to take picture. So let me pick zoom now to show you how it works different. So let's go back to the camera, and now let me try to tap on these buttons once again. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back by using the volume keys here, so I can use zoom. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.